Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain interview process of Mindtree. I have cleared all the rounds, got selected and received an offer letter from the company. The interview process took 10 to 15 days. In this video, I will tell you about total number of rounds, their duration, type of questions and approximate time to receive an offer letter. I will share all the detail of my interview process with email screenshots. Let's start with the video. First of all, you will receive a screening call. If they found you a suitable candidate, then your profile will be shared for further process. If your profile got shortlisted, then there will be 3 rounds for you. The first one will be technical round 1. The second one will be technical round 2. And then HR round. Let's discuss the technical round 1. You will receive a call to schedule your first round. Talent team will ask you for your availability. And your first round will be scheduled as per the time mentioned by you. Then you will receive an email for technical round 1. That will be a video conferencing call with a technical person. In first round, interview will start with the introduction. Then he will ask some questions from your technology. As I am an Android developer, the interviewer has asked me the questions related to activity life cycle, services, types of services. Then he asked me about live data, view model, working of view model, Jetpack components, view binding, and some of the questions were from MVVM architecture. Then he gave me a programming challenge to write a program to get second largest number from the array and asked me to share my screen. I have opened online Java compiler that I have specified in the slide and written the program. After that, he wrapped up the interview and told me that HR will connect me for further process. I have received mail after 2 days for second round. It was also a technical round on Google Meet. It was taken by a technical manager and its duration was about 1 hour. The interview started with the introduction. Then he asked me about all the projects that was mentioned in the resume. He asked me about the technologies, architectures that I have used in the projects. It was more kind of a discussion. Then he asked me questions about threads. What are the different ways to create threads in Android? He asked me about exception handling, types of exceptions, how to create a library in Android, what is an APK and Android bundle, how Android application work in the mobile phone, what is TLDR, what will you do to create multiple network calls in the Android? Then he asked me, where do you want to see yourself in coming 5 years? And why should I hire you? My interview went well. I have answered most of the questions, but I have not received any kind of update for next 15 days. Then I have received an email. They were asking me to share a list of documents. It took almost 1 month to get an offer letter after sharing the documents. So the overall process from first round to get an offer letter took approximately 2 months. No doubt it was a lengthy process, but my experience with interview was very good. All the interviewers were very friendly and cooperative. Overall, it was a positive and great experience. That was all about my experience with Mindtree interview process. If you are thinking to join Mindtree or you are preparing for company's interview, I hope this video will help you to get insights of the interview process and what really happened in the interview rounds of Mindtree.